welcome back everybody. We are under a winter weather storm. They're saying we can get up between minimum of 4 inches of snow to a maximum of a foot of snow. So we will see what that actually has going on, because it says it was supposed to start an hour ago, but it's not snowing yet, as I can show you guys outside, but it looks pretty gray and a little bit of like foggy looking. And I just think that's just because of the way it is. So I'm going to get on my shift pretty soon. I only got like 20 minutes before I got to get on, so that's a good thing. And then I'll be on till 5. But I thought I would jump on here and just say, try to give you guys a little bit of a heads up. This one's not going to be that long because I'm actually going to add to when it starts to snow, if it does. But they're calling like it's supposed to be this massive storm, and I can tell you this morning it was cold. Milking. I kept putting my hands up on the inside of the girls' thigh area where their udder begins, and just trying to keep my hand warm while I was milking on one side and then switch. Cal, she's great. She's great on the stand. Ariel is too, but she is so hard to milk because her orphits on the bottom of her teats are just so tiny that the stream doesn't come out, and you almost have to twist her nipple. Sorry, not nipple. I might get flagged for that, but her teat, and you have to kind of twist it just to even get stream to come out. She's best for a machine, and it's killing me. I'm telling you, it's killing my hands to milk these girls. The 2 easiest, or I should say 3 easiest, are Cal and Patsy is pretty easy, but she's got a problem with bringing her foot up and kicking the crap out of that side of my hand, and I hate that. I can't get her to stand still, and I know it's just because she's so tight, so just trying to relieve her. Willow, on the other hand, she was super tight this morning, and she only lifted her leg up once or twice. And it wasn't even to like kick me, it was just to lift her leg up, to give like a little bit of release from the pressure. But that's all it was about. She is such a really nice goat, and I really, really, really would like to breed Zeus back to Ariel to try to get another pairing like her, because she's so laid back, so great on the stand. The udder is just, it reminds me of Cinderella's, but Willow reminds me of Carrot. Those that have been with us that long knows that those are 2 of my does that I had from a long time ago. That was from the same herd as Odessa. I mean, Odessa is 13 this year in June, so that being said, I'm going to go get me either a hot cocoa or a glass of hot tea or something before I start my shift, so stay tuned everybody. I don't know if you guys can see that, but those are some big white fluffy snowflakes falling. It is exactly 1:50. I got my milk, or my hot cocoa, which is caramel hot cocoa, ready, and got my probiotic drink too. I just happened to look out and thought, oh my gosh, it wasn't even 10 minutes ago I said that this storm was heading here, and now it's here. And it's flowing good. Big fluffy flakes. This is supposed to be a really heavy, wet snow all the way till I think 4 in the morning tomorrow. It's really coming down. There you guys go, just seeing. Snow's still flying. That's what it looks like. Well, that's not good. And you say that's a Windows? what my mom made. These little flowers. This is my little desk flower here. But you see all the snow we're getting? I can't hardly even see the barn down there, or the huts or anything. It's crazy. Now that I'm out of work, I thought I'd show you guys a little bit of the snow that we're getting. Still snowing. Real good. I'll come over here so you could, I could just barely see that out there. But we can. And then I'll take you guys out when I go out to milk tonight. So you guys can see what we got too. Hold on everybody so I can get my glove back on. But I wanted to show you. It is coming down. Look at our fence. Everything. See all that snow? Goodness sakes, it's coming down. I wanted to show you like what our trees, you can't really see them, but like they are weighted down. All the stuff down there is all, like our tree up there is all weighted down. Yes, girls, I'm coming. I'm coming. You could just see the snow coming down. Everything is covered in snow. It's coming down good. It's about 4 inches already. Willow, you're not first, girl. Cal, come on. Willow, you gotta get down so I can put the gate. Come on, get down. Cal, come on. Willow, get down. Come on, Cal. It's okay. Come on, Cal. Come on, girl. There you go, good girl. Get up there. Good girl. Good girl. It's okay. It's just your thing. Your head post. Trying to get it up there. There's the babies. Hello, babies. Everybody's just hunkered down, trying to. There's my little Winnie. That's a pretty little goat. I can't remember what my husband said his name is. There's Aurora. That right there's Athena. That is most likely Clarissa. There's Cassidy, sorry. And then little Misty. Alright, I'm going to put this off. Hold on, I gotta get my glove back on. Hopefully I don't drop you. Sorry for the noise. But I wanted to show you guys. The trees. There's a lot that's been cracking. A lot. It's just because they're so heavy. But I wanted to show you. Like the side of here. Coming up. All the weeds that were along here fell over. You could just see. You can hear trees cracking and stuff. Oh, goodness sakes. That's clear down in the driveway. I wonder where that come from. Did that fall? I think it did. Maybe that's what I heard. Fell off of one of these trees, I bet. Yeah, up there. Fell down. There's a lot weighed down. It had to come off from up there somewhere. Or maybe that's off that tree. I don't know. You got limbs all down right here. I don't like how that sounds. The tree fell. Got limbs down everywhere. Right on top of the house. Limbs down. It's not a very safe place. For sure. Well, we'll be back out here tomorrow. See our devastation. Sun is shining. It's beautiful out. And quite a bit of snow. But I think this is very pretty out here. I'll show you real quick. Because I gotta go out and milk. But look how pretty that is. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? And say, we got a little bit of snow off the snowstorm. Now we have flood warnings because all this will be gone in a couple of days. The poor little trees were in Max's. Didn't break though, but definitely fell over. There's a few. I don't know where they came out of. We think they came out of that maple. Looks like the neighbors couldn't get all the way down their driveway. Looks like they got stopped right there. We got I don't know, probably about 5 inches of snow, I would say. It was a sight though, well not a sight, but a sound of all the trees cracking last night when I was milking. That's a lot of weight on trees to try to handle. All that heavy snow. Definitely a lot to deal with. Yeah, I'm about an hour and a half late. I just woke up late. I think I just needed the sleep. And they're not too upset with me. Just talking to me here. That's gonna be the video, everybody. It's definitely a sight to see for sure. Thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Thank you to all our new subscribers. I think I already said that. Till next time. God bless.